Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about some of my recent Dollar Tree haul products. So these are all my beauty products that I'll be updating you guys on. We have mascaras, we have setting spray, we have liquid products, we have products that I've used so much over on my Instagram and TikTok, also here on my shorts. So all of these products, if I've been using them, they're going to be linked down below, girls, so you can watch. But obviously, like a lot of these products like this I used today, a lot of them you guys have seen over time on my channel. I've done a couple of full faces of Dollar Tree videos, so let's get into it. If you want to see my thoughts on some of my recent Dollar Tree purchases, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're not going to go in any type of order of what I liked or not liked. I'm just going to talk about it. We're going to pick something up and say, did I like it? Yes or no? Okay. So first product we have is a lip balm. So it's the LA Color Soft Glaze Sheer Lip Balm. Honestly, when I first purchased this, I thought it was going to be a gloss. I even mentioned it on my haul video. I was like, it's probably just a gloss with like some tint to it. It's like, you know, whatever. But this actually does feel like a lip balm. It feels really nice and almost lightweight. It doesn't feel like a gloss on the lips, and it does have a slight tint to the lips as well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. This one here is in Sweet Talk. It does come with this type of applicator. Now for me, it's not something that I would wear, you know, to sleep or anything like that. This is definitely a lip balm that you can wear out if you're not into lipsticks, if you just want something light to throw on your lips. Again, it's not like a super harsh tint. It's just a really nice subtle moment. So if you're into a tinted lip balm, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. It's really nice, really hydrating. It is sheer with a slight pinky tint to it. So I think you're really gonna enjoy this if you're that type of girly. Now, am I the type to just throw on some of this and go? On the weekends, sure. Throughout the week, you guys know I love my glam, okay? But I can definitely use this as a gloss if I wanted. It's really nice. Again, it's called the Soft Glaze Sheer Lip Balm for a reason. It's just a nice little tint to the lips. So I think you're really gonna enjoy that, again, if you're that type of girl that likes a sheer lip balm. All right, let's talk about something that I didn't enjoy at all. If you guys saw my disaster Dollar Tree full face, girl, everything was going wrong in that video. This just like was a cherry on top of that awful cake. We have the ITK Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen and Setting Mist. It is meant to set your makeup. It does give you UVA protection, UVB as well, blue light protection. So it's rare when you see a setting spray at the Dollar Tree. Usually it's from LA Colors. We also have, what's the other brand called? I don't know, but there's another like pinky one that I own. But when I saw this, I was like, ooh, it has SPF and it's also setting spray. Like, this is awesome. It also does have that broad spectrum, no, the blue light protection. So I was like, okay, interesting. Girl, I looked like a mess, like super oily vibes. It was just not it, girl. So if you have oily skin, I don't recommend you set your makeup with this. Now, it does say in the back, use in the AM. Obviously, if you're going to be throwing it on, make sure, like, if you're going out or whatever, it's really nice, like, because it does have that protection. This is definitely something that I wouldn't throw over top my makeup ever again. Now, I can definitely use it up, like, whenever I'm not wearing makeup, weekend vibes, you know, whenever I'm just out and about and I need some sunscreen to help my face. I don't care if I'm looking dewy vibes. I like looking really nice and radiant when I have no makeup on. If my foundation's on and popping, everything's looking good, and then I'm setting my face with something that makes me look super oily, it's just gonna ruin everything. So I can see myself using this again when I'm not wearing makeup, but for setting my makeup, never again. Just keep that in mind. So yeah, I just like really ruined my makeup using this. Didn't love it. It also does have vitamin E if you're interested, but yeah, I'll definitely be using this again, not where I'm wearing makeup. I'm definitely gonna have to move this away from my setting sprays because girl, no. All right, so something that you guys already know I love is the blush and highlight from Ioni Cosmetics. We did haul these two recently. So we have the Ioni Cosmetics Eternal Youth highlight here, which you guys know, girl, this is really pretty. It's a nice like medium tone highlight, really pretty. I was really surprised that they finally came out with a medium tone, girl, because they've had the light one for a long time, and then they also had the super dark like golden one. So finally they came out something in the middle. So this one's really pretty, and this one is in Golden Glow. I did go ahead and swatch it in my haul video against some of my other highlights, so I did compare it, and again, not like anything I have in my collection. Same thing goes for the blush, the one in Happy Spell, girl. I love this packaging. This one here is in Pink Rose, and it's like super vibrant and beautiful. So let me go ahead and swatch this one so you guys could get it if you want. love this as well. I love the formula of the Ioni Cosmetics blushes and highlights. I wish they'd come out with like a bronzer in this type of packaging. That would be really nice, something more on the matte side. I don't know why the drugstore, Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, they come out with bronzers that are not matte. They come out with bronzers that are shimmery. Why? I don't know, but yeah, come out with a bronzer that is matte in this little packaging. People are gonna love it, girl. So yeah, love this as well. All right, this is something that I use today, the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer. This is so nice. You guys have seen that I use this so often. I have it on the skin today in the T-zone area. This is so good. Love that it's nice and blurring. It really does sink into the face rather quickly, so you do really want to blend this out fast. It does leave a little bit of a white tint, but you really have to like blend it into your skin to make that go away. It's really nice. It's not super liquidy, it's more on the creamy side, so again, really have to get in there and blend it out. I do love to pair this with my primer from Temu that you guys have seen me use so often. It's a gripping primer. So yeah, it's just, they both work really nicely. Again, I have it in the T-zone area today, and I just really much enjoy this primer. So I definitely recommend, if you see it at the Dollar Tree, pick it up, girl. It's so good, and I do have oily skin, so it does mattify those areas as well. So yeah, love this lipstick. I've really been enjoying the Flower Beauty lipstick from was it the Dollar Tree? I think it was. But this one here is their Petal Pouch lip color in the shade 115 Dahlia Desire. This is one of their cream lipsticks. I just really love the color, but also the formula is so nice. And I do wear this with a lip liner, and that's it, like no gloss over top, and this lasts me such a long time on the lips. Whenever I'm drinking water, I'm eating something, it's still on the lips. So I really love that it's like that long wear kind of moment, even though it's the cream formula. Yeah, I was really blown away by this color, and it's perfect for the fall months, so I've really been enjoying this color here. I'm really intrigued to see if they have other colors, because I would definitely pick them up because this is so good. So speaking of lipsticks, I also have the LA Colors Nude Glam lipsticks, which these are nice. These are just a little too creamy for me. So we have the one in Top Notch. I have 3 different colors here. We also have this one in Passion, which is this one here. These are cute, but again, more on that very creamy side. We also have one of my favorites, which is this one here in Surreal. So these are cute if you're looking for a lipstick, but honestly, it's not my favorite formula. It's really movie on the lips, like it moves around. It doesn't stay in one place, unlike the Flower Beauty one. So yeah, these are cute. Not something that I would recommend you go out and purchase for yourself. We have the Ioni Cosmetics Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen. I have a TikTok video going out today where I'm trying this out on my TikTok, as I just mentioned, but I also did wear a test with this. Now, this is something that really did blow me away. I didn't have high expectations for this product. This is just one of their felt tip eyeliners, not the one with lash glue. So this is different because I don't really love the lash glue ones when I'm not wearing lashes, because it's just really sticky, it sticks to my lid. So I was really looking for just a felt tip eyeliner from Ioni Cosmetics that I can use that was not the dip one, because I've seen that one a lot as well. So they finally just came out with a regular eyeliner, and girl, it's so good. It's so pigmented, and it just lasts throughout the day. It just like still looks deep and dark by the end of the day. It's just something that I look for. It did not bleed. It did not like transfer. It's just such a good eyeliner. I really enjoy this. So if you're looking for an eyeliner that's affordable, that's also really good. Again, I did a wear test over my TikTok, so it's gonna be down below. Yeah, definitely recommend this, girl. We have so many of these LA Colors products. So we have one matte bronzer. So if you guys, again, have seen these in action, this is their Too Cheeky matte bronzer in the shade Bronzed Babe. So this is the only bronzer that I picked up. I feel like this shade itself is so nice for my skin tone, so I really been enjoying this as well. I really love that's like a nice slanted little brush, a nice slanted little spoolie, a nice slanted little doe foot applicator. So it's just really nice and quick and easy to throw on. So I really have been enjoying the bronzer. We also have their highlights. I picked up 2 of their Too Cheeky highlighters. I'd say my favorite one is this one in Enchanted. We also have this light one in Outshine. I feel like Outshine is just too light for me. I don't know. It's just too light vibes. I'm not really into that type of shade for myself. So if I could go back, I would not purchase this one. I like this one because it's more on the medium, almost rose gold moment. So I really love this shade here. Again, this one here is an Enchanted. Their blushes are really nice as well. I picked up 3 different colors here. Girl, I feel like I'm like speed talking. Okay. We have the lightest shade, which if I could go back, well, maybe I'd pick it up. I don't know. I feel like none of the blushes are my favorite. Just one is too dark. This one's like a brown. This one's like cute. I used it yesterday. This one's like, you know, okay. I wish it was a little darker. Like, they're not like perfect for me, honestly, like the shades. But we have the shade Allure, which looks like that. Very light vibes, right? On the cheeks, it looks really nice. I think this is going to be a really nice like summer blush. We also have this one in Love Trap, which, as you can see, it's a little dark vibes. It's cute as well. A nice like subtle moment, like especially if you take just a little bit, throw it on the cheeks with a nice like wearable look. I think you're really gonna enjoy that. This one I did it yesterday for my candy cane look. It's a nice shade. It's just like orangey vibes. I don't know. This one here is in the shade Temptation. Now, besides like the blushes, I think if you see a color that you really enjoy, definitely pick it up. For highlighters, for me and my skin tone, I feel the best one for me is Enchanted. So yeah, that's the one that I love. And then the bronzer was really good. That I think like the bronzer is probably the one that like blew it out of the park for me. And if I could go back and just pick up one of these products, it would just be the bronzer. But yeah, everything else is pretty okay. Definitely keep that in mind, and also pick shades that you're really gonna love and wear. Obviously I picked up 3 different blushes because I wanted to try out the formula, and also wanted to see which one I like more. But if I had to pick a favorite out of these 3, I'd say like the light pink one. So next we have the, I think this Beauty Intuition collection. We have their lipsticks. We have 3 shades here. Obviously I don't know why they don't put the names on them, but basically just says color on them. These are just like bullet lipsticks. So first one we have looks like so. I love these products. Their glosses and their lipsticks smell like chocolate. Yeah, they smell so good. So let me go ahead and swatch this first one. These are definitely more on the matte side. Like, they're more like not as creamy as the LA Colors ones that I just spoke about. But there's the first shade there. It's really pretty. We also have this one, which I've actually used in a couple of lip combo videos over my TikTok. There's a look at that. You definitely want to pair it with a darker lip liner, just so it doesn't look too wild. And then lastly, we have this one. I think this one is called a brownie. Yeah, which is that right there. Definitely more on the orange side. These are nice. I don't know, almost waxy vibes. Would I recommend them? I don't even know what to say. Like, I can't even speak. Okay, they're cute. I love the packaging. If I could go back, I would not pick up all 3. I would only pick up one, and maybe it would be this one here, just because it's a nice subtle vibe. But honestly, the one that I've used the most is the pink one. I will be using, hopefully, this one sometime this month for a video. I don't love that they don't have the names on them. I can't really explain them to you guys. I feel like the actual product itself is very waxy vibes, not as creamy as I'd like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a wear test with these over on my TikTok. One of these shades over the girl, I don't even know what to say. I'm just like on the fence with these. They're cute. I'm glad that I have them. Would I go back and purchase them again? No. Same thing goes for these glosses, to be honest. I love the packaging, love the colors. Actually, I really love this one here. This one I think I used along with the lipstick in my lip combo video. These don't have, again, names on them, but first off we have this shade here. It is a little bit mixed in with some brown lip liner, but you get the gist. It's like a dark pink kind of shade. We get this one here, which definitely is giving this kind of vibe, almost like a brownie burgundy moment. And then we get this like bright orangey red, again, very much like this one. Yeah, so these are like whatever. If I could go back and pick one up, I would definitely just be that pink one, because I know I'm gonna use that one the most. But everything else, I'm like, I don't know, these are okay. I think the thing that blew it out of the park for me from this little collection, I love that they smell like chocolate. That's like the best thing, right? is the mascaras. These are actually really good. I love the packaging again. Love that's in the ombre kind of vibe. We do get this purple one, we get a pink one, and we get an orange. Now the ones that I've been using the most is this pink one for my Get Ready With Me videos. Looks like so. They all have the same exact wand. They basically do all the same things. But I just really have been enjoying this, especially if I curl my lashes. If I don't curl my lashes, girl, why? Like, why even throw on mascara, you know? But if I curl my lashes and throw this on, yes, we're on and we're ready to go. We're ready for the day. But yeah, these are actually really cute. So if you're looking for a nice, like, decent mascara, obviously not going to be like super amazing and like voluminous vibes and like crazy. These are actually okay. So really have been enjoying these mascaras from the Dollar Tree. And that was it. That was the last product from today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts on any of these products. Have you tried them out? Did you have different experiences? Did you have a good experience? Did you have a bad experience? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.